Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's 6:32 a.m., May 31st, 2017. What I have here is a Hunter Infiniti. I actually have two of these. Acquired them as a pair, and they're pretty good shape for the year. This one here is from April of 1997. And I believe this one is as well, but I could be wrong. So, yeah, these are a little convoluted to take apart and put back together again. You have to remove the 3 screws on the switch housing, take the switch housing off, unclip the wires, and then, so you can access the blade screws, and then put the switch housing back on. I have it set to the low ceiling adapter. So, without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. Start off on fast, or on high, I should say. .1 miles per hour on high. .6 miles per hour on medium. And unreadable on unreadable on low. So I want to take this time to thank you folks for watching the video. Please do click like on this if you don't mind. Subscribe to my page called the Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. And if you find me on Facebook, my name is Mark Wilson. Feel free to shoot me a friend request. Alright folks, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.